What's going on, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm in here working on the fly, and today we're going to unbox something nice. As you can see, got the Anker PowerCore portable charger. Let me move this keyboard out the way a little bit. And the four phone charger, unbeatable charging speed. As you got that Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, so you can fast charge a lot of your devices. As you can see on the side, we got some a micro USB cable from Anker in there to charge the bank or charge your device. If you still got a device on micro USB, you should be ashamed of yourself. It's like, no, I'm just playing. Let's check out the back. America's leading USB charging brand. Anker is a really good brand. I got some other Anker power banks, but I didn't have one that was Qualcomm 3.0. So I picked this up when I was in Walmart, but I put an Amazon link in the description. But I was in Walmart. For some reason, I just can't stop buying power banks. Includes a micro USB cable and travel pouch. I love the travel pouches. I'm compatible with iPhone, iPad, Android, Lightning cable, so separately. So if you're on your Apple stuff, you got to bring your own Lightning cable to the party. But still, and it's 10,050 milliamps. So you're going to get some good charging power out of this. You can probably charge like your iPhone 4 times and probably like a Galaxy 3 times or some things of that nature. Really nice presentation on the box also. Go ahead, open it up. As you can see, we've got charge fast, live more. And we've got a clear opening where you can see the power bank, anchor.com. That is, boom. But I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing out. Let me see. Got a little, okay. Comes out from the bottom. You can see, look, boom. Open this flap at the bottom. Everything will slide out. Boom. So there we go. We got the power bank in front. I'm going to take this apart behind the camera. Just put everything out there. Got a nice Anker carrying pouch. Nice nylon, but some Anker branding on it. That's really nice. Excuse my phone, y'all. I'm just going to let it ring out. Got a welcome guide. Now I'm going to open this thing up. Got the Anker. Anker make really good cables too. If you ever see me on Instagram, BG Tech Life, I have a lot of power line cables from Anker. They like the red ones. And they come in gray also. But they make really good cables. And it's a nice touch to get a nice little free one. Nice little Anker micro USB. Because, I mean, I could use this to charge the power bank, charge some of my headphones and things of that nature. Got a lot of headphones. So good, nice little build on them. Cable not too long, getting all in the way. And let me show you how the big boy. Boom. Nice size, not too big, little thick. As you can see, Anker on the front. You got that quick charge, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 on the back. Solid but slippery feeling. And this is your single charging port on there. And that's your input when you need to charge it with the micro USB. You got lights that indicate how charged up the bank is. As you can see, looks like it's almost at full power. Well, it's up like halfway around, so it's less than half. Less than half. As you see all the little LEDs. Most of them not lit up. So this definitely needs to get put on the charger. But yeah, this is something nice and compact. You can see it's about long as my middle finger. It's not that big. It's got a little heft to it, of course. And this is a nice size for it to be over 10,000 milliamps. So you can get a lot of charging done with this thing, and you're gonna get a lot of charging done at a fast pace. So definitely a good look. Definitely nice clean build, nice matte finish, a little slippery. And it's got the IQ, which means even if you hook something up to this power bank that's not fast charge. It won't try to fast charge it. It'll see exactly the needs of whatever type of device you got plugged up here, and it'll meet those requirements. It won't overcharge or burn anything out. And that is it. That is the Anker PowerCore Plus, 10,050 milliamp portable charger. I'll put a link in the description for y'all. It's your man BG Tech Life. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram BG Tech Life and follow me on Twitter BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.